All right, today is May 24th, 2021. We just got done with our Prizm Tmall football 2-case player break from our eBay auctions that ended Sunday night, the 23rd. We are doing our recap now. So the way we broke it down, we are starting with silver rookies, then autos, then red and yellows, and then our QBs to close it out. So we got all our silver rookies to start. So we got AJ Epinesa, Christian Fulton, Antonio Gibson, Noah Igbenogany, Kyle Duggar, Jason Huntley, Jeremy Chin, Noah Igbenogany again, Marlon Davidson, Kyle Duggar, Daryl Taylor, Christian Fulton, Logan Wilson, Jason Huntley, Patrick Queen, Neville Gallimore, Jeremy Chin, Daryl Taylor. Colin Johnson, Grant Delpit, Darrington Evans, Jeremy Chin, DJ Dallas, Josiah DeGuara, Darrington Evans, Anthony McFarland Jr., Antonio Gibson, Keyshawn Vaughn, Jake Fromm, Brandon Ayuk, Joshua Kelly again, Jonathan Taylor, Chase Young, and Chase Young. Nolan, I don't believe that we do, but I will check after we get done. Alright, so we got 3 autos and then points. So we got 400 points, but that's going to go to the point spot that we had. So that's separate. We got Jonathan Allen, silver auto. Hunter Henry, silver auto. And an Adrian Amos, silver auto. Those were our 3 autos. And then we got our 400 points. Going to the point spot. Now on to red and yellows. Alright, so we did not hit a rookie, sadly. So these are all going to be to 49. Just get that out of the way. We got Antonio Gates, Keith Brooking, Chandler Jones, Lane Johnson, Alshon Jeffrey, Marshawn Lattimore, Peyton Manning, Deshaun Watson, Adrian Peterson, Josh Allen, Jags, Kenyon Drake, KJ Wright, Dwayne Haskins, Marlon Mack, Zach Ertz, Michael Vick, David Montgomery, T.Y. Hilton, Ben Roethlisberger. We got Anthony Harris, Kyle Fuller, DK Metcalf, Zadarius Smith, Jonathan Allen, Philip Lindsay, Alvin Kamara, Emmitt Smith, Larry Fitz. I remember this one. This one's jersey number 2, 11 out of 49. Baker Mayfield, Fletcher Cox, DJ Chark Jr., Chris Carson, Deebo Samuel, Brandon Cooks, Tyler Higbee, Robert Woods, Nick Bosa, Marvin Jones Jr., Kerryon Johnson, and Josh Allen Bills. That was a nice red and yellow. Now we got our bigger rookie QBs. Alright, so we got Tua base, Tua base, Tua base, Tua silver, another Tua silver, Herbert base, Herbert base, Herbert silver, and a second Herbert silver. Nice hits for those 2 spots. Those quarterbacks definitely killed it. But that is going to close off our recap for our 2-case eBay Prizm Tmall football player break. Congrats to all of our hitters. This video will be uploaded separately as a recap. But that is going to close that out. Make sure to get that up later and get these shipped out as soon as possible.